Sebueledi sa mopresidente sa re go na le tlhokego ya ka bonako ya gore mopresidente Ramaphosa a tlatse diphatlatiro tse di leng mo kabineteng ka bonako mme o tlile go dira seo mo bogautshwaneng. Setšhaba se ditile ka tlhoafalo kitsiso ya kabinete ka mopresidente Ramaphosa. Mo bokhutlong jwa beke mopresidente o ne a kopane le ditokololo tsa semphato SABC le COSATU go sekaseka ntlha ya go fetola kabinete. Maabane tona ya matlole Inoko Godongwana o letse a ikanisitswe jaaka tokololo ya palamente.
There are vacancies in cabinet. We also now have a vacancy in the role of a deputy president. And so there is a sense of agency that the president fills those vacancies as soon as possible. So in a matter of days, that announcement will be made. So I will say to you, be on standby and look out for my advisory alerting you to the announcement.
Fa ne a tshwaela tebang le go tlhomiwa ga boto ya SABC Magwenya o rile go dintlha dingwe tseo di tshwanetseng go rarabololwa pele mopresidente a ka itsise boto e ntshwa. Beke e fetile Media Monitoring Africa e ne a dira kopo ya ka bonako kwa kgotlatshekelo ya molaotheo go pateletsa mopresidente Ramaphosa go tlhopha boto e ntshwa. Ya re go diega go dira jalo ga go mo molaotheong.
Unfortunately, the resumes of the candidates were only handed to the president in January, somewhere between the 10th or the 13th of January. I can't remember the exact date. And so the process was already running behind schedule, if you like. It did not help that there were issues that were identified to be inconsistent with the act. And the president could not proceed with appointing those individuals while those issues were there and had not been clarified. The other point, there were objections that we believe were sent to Parliament, and those objections were also sent to the president with respect to certain individuals. The president wanted clarification as to how those objections were dealt with. So we had those issues that we needed clarification on, and that contributed to the delay. We are hoping that those issues will be clarified fairly soon, and we can proceed.
Naga ga ena motlatsa mopresidente morago gore David Mabuza a latlheletse ditsi. Mopresidente o mo lebogetse seabe sa gagwe.
President Ramaphosa has extended gratitude and appreciation to Deputy President Mabuza for his exceptional service to the country over the last 5 years. The Deputy President has undertaken the responsibilities of his office with dedication. The President is grateful for the support he has provided to him throughout his term and for the leadership he has provided to the work of government. President Ramaphosa will make an announcement in due course about the appointment of a new deputy president.
Magwenya a re mopresidente o mekamekana le mathata a energy jaaka fa naga e tsweletse go itemogela kgaogo ya gangwe le gape ya motlakase.